Updating your primary email on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This section contains your account information, including your email address. Step 4. Change email address. Look for the email section and click on the edit button next to your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 5. Verify your new email. After entering the new email, Discord will send a verification link to that address. Check your email inbox, click the verification link, and confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Discord will be updated. Regularly check your email settings to ensure your account remains secure.